Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to copy worksheet, how to move worksheet within workbook, or how to create a new worksheet in a new workbook. So let's get started. So to move worksheet within workbook, here we have a worksheet sales territory data, and if you want to move this worksheet, just select it and drag it where you want to move. So here it has been moved, and if you want to copy of this worksheet, so just press Control button and drag it where you want to drag. Just I want to drag it after the date data. So here drop it and it will create another worksheet called sales territory data. And next we have how to create new worksheet. So just right click here and move and copy. So you can move your worksheet with this option, and if you want to create a copy, you can create in another workbook like new workbook. So you can see in a new workbook and create a copy. So if you don't select it, it will move to the another new workbook, and if you click on this, it will create a copy that we want. So here it is. Okay. So I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching.